Have you ever noticed how, when you look at a group photo, the first person you search for is yourself? Why do we do that? It's not vanity. It's instinct. We are wired to focus on ourselves, to think about our own thoughts, our own problems. And guess what? So is everyone else. Now, here's the question. If we're all so wrapped up in our own world, how can we expect others to truly listen to us? In this video, I'm going to show you why people don't listen to you, and more importantly, how you can overcome it. Alright, let's go. There is one profound truth you need to know. Our entire inner world is centered around ourselves. We spend so much of our day thinking about our own feelings, our own fears, our own problems. In fact, research shows we have over 6,000 thoughts a day, and the vast majority of those are about us. Now, here's where it gets interesting. When we engage with others, we tend to carry this mindset with us. We talk about our lives, our goals, our struggles. And yet, we expect others to care. But think about this. They're just like us. They're caught up in their own internal world, just as we are. So why would they care about what we have to say when they are focused on themselves? This is where we hit a wall in our communication. We want to connect. We want people to listen. But we're speaking a language they aren't tuned into. The language of self. And the truth is, if we speak only of ourselves, we risk being unheard, unseen, and disconnected. So how do we bridge this gap? How do we create meaningful relationship where we are not just speaking, but being heard? The answer lies in a simple, yet profound shift. We must start thinking beyond ourselves. We must learn to step out of the fortress of our own ego and into the world of another. Instead of asking, how can I make them understand me? We should ask, how can I understand them? It seems like a paradox. The more we focus on understanding others, the more they focus on understanding us. Because when we take the time to genuinely care about what they think, what they feel, and what they need, we unlock something powerful. We open a door to connection. Human beings are reciprocal by nature. When someone shows true interest in us, not for their own gain, but because they really care, something changes. We lower our defenses. We start to listen. And in that moment, a bond is formed. Not because of what was said, but because of what was felt. Instead of spending years trying to convince others that we are worthy of their attention, what if we spent a few months genuinely giving our attention to them? Truly caring about them? What if, for a while, we stopped trying to impress and started to connect? In a world where everyone is speaking, it's those who listen that build the deepest relationships. Not because they said the most, but because they cared the most. When we focus on what others care about, when we pay attention to what moves them, something profound happens. They start to care about us. Not because we asked them to, but because they want to. They begin to see us not as another voice in the crowd, but as someone who sees them, who understands them. And in turn, they will open themselves up to us. The irony of human connection is this. The more we seek it for ourselves, the further it slips away. But the moment we give it freely to others, it returns to us 100-fold. So, as you finish this video, remember this. To be truly heard, to be truly understood, we must first hear and understand others. We must break free from the confines of our own mind and step into theirs. The deepest connections we form aren't built on words alone, but on the simple act of genuinely caring. So, let's sum up. The secret is, if you want to be heard, stop trying to make people listen. Instead, start listening to them. Shift the focus. Care about their world as much as you care about your own. When you step into someone else's shoes and truly understand them, something powerful happens. They start to care about you too. Remember, connection is reciprocal. The more you give, the more you receive. Start listening today, and watch how the world starts listening back. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, follow and subscribe to our IC page and channel for more insights on how to build deeper, more meaningful connections. See you in the next video.